I think I do have an extra chassis. Perfect. Let's use that for this build. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're unboxing the Sonic Saber Premium with the Super 2 chassis. As many of you already know, the Saber series is one of my all-time favorites. For this build, we'll be switching out the chassis and internals to red to give it a fresh look. Let's jump right in. Starting with the rear section, we'll install the eyelet, the gears, and the wheels. I'm swapping out the wheel color to white for a cleaner aesthetic. Pokeball, go! Once installed, make sure to spin the rear wheels and check that everything rotates smoothly. Now onto the front. First, attach the switch, then the copper terminals, and finally the crown gear. Next, install the wheel shaft onto the chassis. Give the front wheels a test spin to ensure they're moving smoothly. Now let's move on to the motor and internal components. Install the motor into the motor holder. After that, slot the motor into the chassis. We're using the stock motor included in the kit. Then install the 3.5 gear and close everything up with the gear cover. Time for a quick test. Nice, it's working great. Freshly awakened stock motor in action. To wrap things up, we'll attach the rear wing and then install the rollers. Here's the finished cowl, complete with decals. It looks awesome. What does your Sonic Saber build look like? Let me know in the comments. Sonic Saber Premium build complete. Skull_Mini for Wheel Drive would like to thank you for watching this video. We truly appreciate your continued support. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Mini for Wheel Drive content coming your way.